Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine. Today we will trace the lower body part of our 2D character. Before I start our video, as usual, I request you to subscribe my channel, like my videos, and share my videos. Let's start our videos. First, go to File, click on Import. I am repeating the steps of the first video so that those who has not watched my first videos they can start from this video as well. Go to stage. This is my 2D character. I will click on free transform tool. This will allow me to resize my image to the canvas. Canvas means our working area. Okay. I just need the first image, this one. Now my image is adjusted and it's shown as pixelate. We can increase it up to 100%. Okay. Today we have to work on lower body parts, but before work on lower body parts, speedily I repeat the two steps of central body and the upper body. First of all, lock this layer, take a new layer, rename this layer as a body, take a rectangle tool, select the oval tool. Firstly, I will change the color so that you can see the difference. Okay. Now this. I can zoom from the zoom tool. Okay, this is a totally filled. I want to see the outline to adjust it properly. I will click on this purple color, this one like this, and now I can adjust it, but it is already adjusted. The second step is click on selection tool or V key and double click on it, convert to sample. Okay, now again click on this shape, and now we come inside the layer and select a new layer here with the name of upper body. Again we select a rectangle tool. You can select with the R key as well, simple R key. Click on selection tool or V key in the same way. Okay, in the corner you can see the corner on the arrows, and on the line you can see the curve. So in the curve we can adjust it like this and like this. Today I am not changing the color of the shirt, just you can understand easily. Now I have to adjust it to up to this. This will be with the help of Alt key. Now I will press the Alt key. As you suggested, use the on-screen keyboard to clear understanding. I am using the on-screen keyboard. See, I am pressing the Alt key, this one, and now I can create a corner here. like this. You can easily see that as I press the Alt key, a corner is shown under the arrow. In the similar way on the shoulder side and at this side. Now I will remove the Alt key and adjust up to the blue areas. Again Alt key and I will use like this. Alt key. Right now I am not using the mouse. I am using the touchpad. If you use mouse, it will done quickly. Where you feel difficulty in adjusting these lines, use Alt key. This is the upper body. Click on side. Now you can see that we have designed the upper body and the center body. Again, we will go to inside the layer. This one, like this. This is the upper body and the center body. Now we have to trace the lower body. But keep in mind, we have to trace the lower body up to this shirt. We take a new layer here, lower body. Select the rectangle tool. We have already selected, and like this it will be easy when you click on this side. Again I will take the rectangle tool. I draw this rectangle tool and click on this orange button, and this will show the outline only. I have to take the rectangle tool and draw the line rectangle here. Click on here. Now you can see the difference. We have to match these lines. Now you can see that with the control and minus we can minimize our image to see that. Look, we have traced the upper body and the lower body, means we have we did the dressing, and now we need to change the color to blue. So we can go to our layers and change the color. First of all, we will select the color, click on eyedropper tool, click the color, and then automatically it will convert to paint bucket tool. We go to our layer and sorry, we will go to our layers and use the paint like this and this. Now we have changed the color, and click on selection tool, click on this line and delete this line. Again click on, you can give the color to these lines same color this way. No. Look, this is the tracing of the upper and lower body, and you can see that if you close the first layer, we can see that what we have traced. Look, we have traced this one. This is enough for the today video. Hope you will understand the procedure. I have draw the upper body, lower body and the central body. Firstly, I have locked the first key.